This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and I've got one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California. He sent me a lot of noodles over time, and these are MIT, what is this? Ginger and sesame oil noodles from Taiwan. And they come in individual packs. Ooh. And they're fancy. But how long do I cook this stuff? There's a picture of cooking right here. And it says, put noodles in the boiling water. Drain noodles after cooking for about 3 minutes. Pour the sauce pack. Enjoy it after mixing. Okay. So we need a 3-minute timer, which we have. And I still dislike that timer. That's what we need to do. We need to do a big, we should buy all the timers that they have on Amazon. Every single one. And then, like, test them out. All the time. I mean, like, all of them. Put the noodles in the pot of hot water. Oh. What happened? Where's our music? Play. Okay. But yeah, we're all sickos here at the Ramen Raider World Headquarters 3.0. Yeah, it's no fun. That's what I gotta say about that. Wow, this is gonna be a lot of noodles. I don't know if the bowl that I have secured for use for this episode is gonna be big enough. It's a lot of noodles. Let's see. Anyways, yeah, I feel like crap, total crap. I don't know. It's like a little bit of time goes by and I feel a little bit worse, and a little bit more time goes by and I feel a little bit more worse, and yuckier and nastier and crappier. I set the timer. I know it. The timer said 3 minutes. I did. I still have my faculties, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, everything's pointing that we got the Rona. And, we're all at least mostly vaccinated. Oh. My daughter was due to get her second shot and she was sick. So you can't do that when you're sick. You can't do it. My question is this. People want antibiotic-free, like, meat and stuff like that. Why? You'd never get sick. Just, like, pump those cows full of antibiotics. That's what I say. A little side of medical know-how with your meal, right? Would you like that? How would you like your burger? With extra antibiotics and very rare. It can happen. Alright. So let's see what we got here. Here's our noodle. It's very thin. Dry noodles usually have a lot more thick noodles. Is it sesame ginger? So we're gonna have like a tahini kind of pasty thing going on that's kind of peanut buttery and dry. What's it? I think this is gonna be more sesame oil-like because I'm not getting the visuals that I normally would in a regular sesame noodle. Yeah. Yeah, we're looking online to get some Amazon beer and thinking, what if there's like Amazon Basics beer? It comes in a white bottle and it says beer on it, like the generic. This smells nice. That's the thing though, that might be the indicator that it's not the Rona, we just got like a nasty cold. Because I can certainly smell everything. So I will enjoy this after the mixing, as it told me to do. So there's the mixing. And now it's time for the enjoying. Look at that, that's actually quite a bit of noodles you get out of that block. Cheers. Mmm. I like the ginger hit on these. That's very nice. And it's definitely a sesame oil ginger, not a sesame paste. God, I'm gonna tell you right now, if you haven't been to Taiwan, you are so missing out. It's pretty good, let me say. I like it, it's pretty good. All right. So we're watching like TV on Pluto. If you don't know what that is, you probably don't have a Fire TV stick or anything like that, but anyways, it's like a bunch of free TV channels that you can watch, right? Well, you know, they've got a channel that's just episodes of Hoarders, and we're totally into that. There's something like absolutely fascinating about that show. But anyways, the commercials, so you got like Jimmy J, hey, it's me, Jimmy J.J. Walker, and you can get this and get your Medicare and Social Security benefits, blah, 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 blah. And, God, who is it? Hey, it's me, your boy Ice-T, and you can watch this and that and enjoy this and that and the other thing. Oh, Car Shield. That's what he shills, is Car Shield. You can actually go online and spend like $150 and go get iced tea. I'm not kidding. Get iced tea to like say a couple nice words for your birthday online. I'm serious. So this isn't exactly thought out. Let's see what happens here. It's doing pretty good though. There we go. Woo! 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 God, who was that? There was like some show where a guy would just like sit there and go, woo! It was pretty funny. Woo! Oh, woo! I can see like the corporate people going, oh, the Ramen Raider did some episode about our noodles. What's he doing? Why is he going woo? Google Translate is not helping with this whole woo thing. Woo! Oh, it's Miles. How you doing, Miles?
Hi, Papa.
You having a good day?
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Miles.
I have a good day.
Good.
I want to say hi to the nice people.
Oh, you do? Well, hold on. Let me ladle on this spring onion.
Okay.
And you can say hi to the nice people.
Hi to the nice people.
Wow. You're home from school.
Yes.
Everybody's home from school.
I'm still gonna be home.
Yeah, that's good. We like it when you're home.
Yes.
Yeah. Go play. Go have fun.
Okay. I'll go have fun.
All right, love you.
Love you.
All right, so what else are we gonna put in here? We're gonna put in some crushed red pepper. Yeah. This is pretty good stuff. I'm impressed. I did not expect, a lot of the time these thinner noodle varieties out of Taiwan, I just don't like them so much. And sometimes they're just great. They're just great. Sometimes I don't like it, sometimes I approve. And this is one I thoroughly approve of. Good show. Wonderful, wonderful. All right. Here you go, watch that. Put on a different song. Thank you for watching. I'll probably do 3 more tomorrow unless I'm like totally even sicker than sick. But that's my 3 for today, and I think I'm gonna make some bread next, so you'll be able to see that. Check your local listings. It'll also air before that. I like to push those out quick. But I've got some best. It's around here. Here it is. I'm gonna make a loaf of bread using this stuff. Maybe, I don't know if I'm gonna use the noodle out of it. I probably will. One block of noodles and then the seasonings from the rest of them. Put in some, gosh, I don't know what I'll put in this. But we'll see. Anyways, yeah, if what we got is the Rona and we're vaccinated and stuff, it's like, I can't imagine how crummy it would be with not being vaccinated, so. Yeah, don't get sick, alright? It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your not being sick, hopefully. Yeah, keep it smooth.